Hey, are you a corpse?
If so, then this video is for you.
We're doing another drink review with 2 flavors of this electrolyte beverage. It's called Corpse Reviver.
This one is guava.
This one, prickly pear. So before we dig in, I think it's important to understand the basics of this drink.
I'm eating cheese.
Yeah, it's made with real ingredients. It's got electrolytes. It's got 10 calories. There's no added sugar. I'm assuming it's somehow sweetened.
It's vegan and it's female founded.
And it does contain 3% juice on this one and 3% juice on that one.
Consistency is key.
Yep.
I've got a lot of zinc. That's going to be good for my ears.
Yeah, it's got 325 potassium.
Okay, you ready to try it?
There's this ingredient called L-theanine that's supposed to help you calm down a little bit. So probably James should give me all of his theanine, and then I'll take it. Yeah, you give it a try. That's guava rose.
I give that a 5.
How does it taste?
Well, here's the thing. It's like you're hearing a nice melody in the background, but there's a bunch of static covering it up.
Would you mind if I try yours?
Okay.
It's got a very mild flavor, yeah.
I kind of taste the carbonation.
Yeah,
And I
so
don't like it.
Flavored seltzer water.
Yeah. I don't like the flavor of the carbonation. The background flavor is okay.
Yeah, pleasant.
But I wish it was it had more of a punch, like if there was more lemon. Okay, time for you to eat your Corpse Reviver tea. Electrolyte beverage. The can is cool though. 10 out of 10 on the can.
Mm-hmm. Well, I finished up my trees. I'm just gonna show you the art on this can. It's real beautiful. Mm-hmm. So with this, it's important. You gotta be sure to drink it before August 22nd, 2027.
What happens if you drink on August 22nd?
Well, it's no longer best, so it could be worse.
Well, it wasn't that good to begin with. Let's see how this flavor is, though.
If you're into bottle deposit, you can do it in Oregon or Michigan for a dime.
Nice.
And Maine, Vermont, Massachusetts, New York, Hawaii, and Iowa for a nickel.
They don't have as much money in Iowa.
So let me give you a nickel's worth of free advice. You don't need to buy these drinks. They're kind of expensive. We paid a little over $4 for each of them.
Yeah, they're just fine.
No, this tastes like the inside of a dishwasher pot. You gotta try this.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Now that is interesting. I don't think it's good, but it is interesting.
No, there's something very soap coated about it.
It does taste like dishwasher. Wow. Well, Ian, if Ian was a dish, he would be really clean now.
Yep. Unfortunately, despite the novelty factor, I'm gonna have to give that like a 3 out of 10. That wasn't very good. I'm gonna keep drinking it though.
I would also give it a 5 because it is so interesting. It's just not good.
So for you, the novelty factor,
Yeah.
counts for a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, now you know.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep eating cheese. Thank you for watching,
Mm-hmm.
and have a good lob day.